Hey guys, so here we have the Walthers $75 mystery box. Figured I would do a quick unboxing video for you guys. I obviously already took a look at it, and but wanted to show you guys in case you guys were thinking about getting one of these next time they go around, and what you can expect. I only did the $75 one, but I love it. So, opening it up, we are greeted with a very nice utility truck. We have HO scale pallet jacks with some kits to put together there, which is nice. This is tear and plant bushes. There's the part number at the top. I actually haven't seen these before, so I'm really looking forward to getting these on the layout and seeing what they look like. UPS trailers, can't go wrong with those, especially on a modern layout like we have here. Tommy's Toys and Games as a kit. I really like that. It's going to fit in nicely with the downtown area on the layout. And I noticed it even comes with an interior LED light. So I'm going to have to look at that. Then we have Walthers Proto, British Columbia, EC Rail, bulkhead flat. There is, oops, sorry, wrong end. There's what that is. That's nice. And older tank car. This has great details on it. I pulled it out of the box already to look at it. But yeah, that's the $75 mystery box. It's pretty neat. And yeah, if you guys are considering getting any of these, I highly recommend it. It's kind of neat to see what all they come up with.